How to fix laptop keyboard auto pressing. Let's get started. First, run keyboard troubleshooter. For that, launch settings. Navigate to the option system. Now head over to the option troubleshoot. Click on the option other troubleshooters. Now from this list, find keyboard and click on run for it. This tool will automatically scan and attempt to fix common keyboard issues. If a problem is detected, it will fix it for you. Next, update keyboard driver. If the issue remains, update your keyboard driver. Go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Launch it. Now expand Keyboards. Under Keyboards, you're going to find the driver that you use. Right-click on it and click on Update Driver and go through the process. If it says the best drivers are already installed, move on to the next step. Check Ease of Access settings. For that, launch Control Panel. Now head over to the option Ease of Access Center. Under that, you're going to find the option Sticky Keys, Toggle Keys, or Filter Keys. Make sure you have disabled for these options. Then restart the device and see if that resolves the issue. Next, update Windows. For that, close this and launch your settings. Navigate to the option system. If any updates are available, just update it. And there you have it. These are some fixes for your keyboard auto pressing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.